Our planet is warming. This is not a drill. It's a reality we face today. We call it global warming, and it's a serious threat. Earth's temperature is rising faster than ever before. This change is not natural. We, humans, are the main reason for this rapid warming. Our actions have consequences. We are putting our planet in peril. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, all are affected. If we ignore this warning, the consequences will be severe, but there is still hope. We can still take action. We can still change course. This is a call to action, a plea to protect our only home. Our planet needs us, now more than ever. The late 18th century marked a turning point in human history, the Industrial Revolution. We unlocked the power of machines, fueling progress and transforming our lives. But this progress came at a cost. We turned to fossil fuels, coal, oil, and gas to power our factories and vehicles. Burning these fuels releases harmful gases into the atmosphere, primarily carbon dioxide. Think of it like this. Our atmosphere acts like a blanket, trapping the sun's heat. This is a natural process called the greenhouse effect, and it keeps our planet warm enough to support life. But we are adding more and more greenhouse gases to this blanket, making it thicker. The thicker the blanket, the warmer the planet gets. This is what we call global warming. Ignoring global warming is like ignoring a fire alarm. The longer we wait, the more catastrophic the consequences. Scientists paint a grim picture of the future if we fail to act. Imagine a world plagued by extreme weather events, scorching heat waves, devastating floods, and powerful hurricanes, all becoming more frequent and intense. This is not science fiction, it's a glimpse into our potential future. Rising sea levels threaten to swallow entire coastlines and islands. The delicate balance of ecosystems is disrupted, leading to the loss of countless plant and animal species. Food and water become scarce, sparking conflicts and migration crises. Picture this: iconic landmarks submerged, swallowed by the rising tides. Coastal cities, home to millions, face an existential threat. As global temperatures rise, ice caps and glaciers melt at an alarming rate, adding more water to our oceans. This, coupled with the expansion of water as it warms, causes sea levels to rise. The consequences are dire. Coastal erosion accelerates, swallowing homes and infrastructure. Saltwater intrusion contaminates freshwater sources, threatening agriculture and drinking water supplies. Low-lying island nations face an even bleaker future, the risk of disappearing beneath the waves entirely. Section 5. The unpredictable skies, extreme weather events. Our planet's climate is a delicate dance of interconnected systems. Global warming throws this dance out of sync, leading to extreme weather events. Heat waves become more frequent and intense, pushing temperatures to unbearable levels. Droughts grip regions once known for their fertile lands, turning them arid and barren. On the flip side, rainfall patterns become erratic. Torrential downpours unleash devastating floods, overwhelming cities and destroying crops. The delicate balance of our planet's climate system is disrupted, leaving chaos and destruction in its wake. Section 6. A world without coral reefs, the loss of biodiversity. Imagine a world without the vibrant colors and bustling life of coral reefs. These underwater cities, teeming with diverse marine life, are particularly vulnerable to global warming. As ocean temperatures rise, corals experience bleaching, a process that weakens and can ultimately kill them. The consequences are far-reaching. Coral reefs provide habitat and food for countless marine species. Their loss disrupts the entire ocean ecosystem, impacting fisheries and livelihoods that depend on them. Moreover, reefs act as natural barriers, protecting coastlines from erosion. Their degradation leaves coastal communities more vulnerable to the impacts of rising sea levels and storms. Section 7. Parched lands and empty plates, food and water scarcity. Global warming threatens the very foundation of human civilization, food and water security. Changes in rainfall patterns and increased temperatures disrupt agricultural cycles. Droughts parch once fertile lands, while floods drown crops and contaminate water sources. The consequences are dire. Crop yields decline, leading to food shortages and price hikes. Water scarcity becomes a pressing concern, affecting sanitation, hygiene, and overall health. Competition for dwindling resources intensifies, potentially leading to conflicts and mass migrations. Section 8, A Stitch in Time, What We Can Do to Heal Our Planet. The situation is critical but not hopeless. We have the power to change course and heal our planet. The first step is to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. We must transition towards cleaner, renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. Investing in energy efficiency is crucial. From energy-saving appliances to better insulation in buildings, small changes can make a big difference. Protecting our forests is paramount, as trees act as natural carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. We must halt deforestation and promote sustainable forestry practices. Section 9. Our collective responsibility shaping a sustainable future. Addressing global warming requires a collective effort. Governments, businesses, and individuals all have a role to play. Governments must implement policies that promote renewable energy, energy efficiency, and sustainable practices. Businesses must adopt sustainable practices, reduce their carbon footprint, and invest in green technologies. And we, as individuals, must make conscious choices in our daily lives, reduce, reuse, and recycle, choose energy-efficient appliances, walk, cycle, or use public transport whenever possible, support businesses that prioritize sustainability. Our individual actions may seem small, but together they create a ripple effect, driving positive change. The time for action is now. Let us be the generation that turned the tide on global warming and secured a sustainable future for generations to come.